Hello and welcome. As summer rolls in, it's a great time to refresh your home with soft, cozy, and relaxed touches. In today's video, we're sharing how to style your home with warm country cottage vibes for the summer season. These ideas are simple, timeless, and easy to try, no matter the size of your space. Let's take a look at some beautiful and inspiring decor ideas to bring a light, airy charm into your home. Linen slipcovers. Switch out heavy fabrics for light linen slipcovers in white, beige, or soft pastels to give your furniture a breezy summer feel. Fresh flower bouquets. Add simple glass vases filled with garden flowers like daisies, lavender, or sunflowers for a natural cottage touch. Vintage wooden furniture. A well-worn console table or sideboard adds warmth and character to any room. Floral throw pillows. Use throw pillows with soft floral prints to bring in a gentle summer charm without overpowering the space. Open shelving with collected pieces. Display simple ceramics, woven baskets, or antique glass bottles on open shelves to create a curated cottage look. Wicker or rattan accents. Add texture with a wicker tray, rattan chair, or woven baskets for organizing or display. Neutral area rugs. Layer soft jute or cotton rugs for warmth underfoot while keeping a light color palette. Sheer curtains. Swap out heavy drapes with light, sheer curtains to let the summer sunlight in and keep the room feeling open. Botanical prints. Hang framed botanical illustrations or pressed flower art for a simple and timeless wall accent. Whitewashed furniture. Incorporate a whitewashed bench, nightstand, or table for that classic weathered look. Natural wood elements. A reclaimed wood mirror, shelf, or serving board adds rustic charm and earthy tones. Layered bedding in soft colors. In bedrooms, layer lightweight blankets and quilts in white, cream, or soft blue to keep it cool and inviting. Cottage-style lanterns or candle holders. Place lanterns or candles on mantels, shelves, or porches to add a soft summer glow in the evenings. Porch rocking chair with cushions. Add a small rocking chair with a striped or floral cushion for that nostalgic summer cottage feeling. Simple table centerpiece. Use a wooden tray with candles, fresh herbs, or small potted plants for an easy seasonal centerpiece. And that's it for today's tour of country cottage style for summer. Sometimes, it's the small touches, a fresh bouquet, a soft fabric, or a cozy corner, that make all the difference. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed these ideas, feel free to like, subscribe, or share the video with others who love cottage charm. Wishing you a calm and beautiful summer season. See you in the next one.